Hey, what's up everybody? Sean Gavin, RHG Products, with another exciting Tucker pole introduction. This is the Tucker SF-9 storefront 9 pole. This pole is designed per your request for ultimate storefront work. Fully extended, this pole is 9 foot 2 inches, so just over 9 feet. Collapsed, it's 46 inches, so nice and short. Built into the base, we have our plastic protector, so you can set this on the concrete at all your storefront jobs and it won't destroy the end of your composite material here. This is a hybrid pole, 3K on the base handle. It's got the branding here, Tucker SF-9. You've got the Tucker plastic clamping mechanisms. On the tip you have our gold anodized aluminum Acme tip. So there's an Acme thread here if you want to put on accessories, like a doodle bug would thread right onto here. Any Acme tip would thread right on here. Acme female pole accessory. This is a cone shaped, so this is actually designed to not need an accessory for it to accept squeegees, mops, all that kind of stuff. You just slide your squeegee right over this and it's tapered just like the inside. So it essentially is a cone tip with an Acme thread. Okay, so that's built right in. You'll see we made these in a patriotic red, white, and blue pattern. So as you extend this, top section's red, middle's white, your base is blue. So red, white, and blue. Again, fully extended, this is just over 9 feet. You've got the fully adjustable Tucker lever clamps on here. Very lightweight. I didn't weigh it, but obviously it's only 9 foot, so maybe a pound or so. We will be introducing other sizes. This is the first in the series, so this is the Storefront 9 from Tucker. You can find information on these on our website at tuckerusa.com. I'll also put a link in the video comment thread for the product on the website as well. We're working on photos. But the product is on the website and you will be able to see the details there. But you asked us for an Acme ground level storefront pole. Here it is. We hope you're pleased with it. We look forward to your feedback before we make more longer extensions for the storefront range. Thanks everybody. Take care.